Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Lumb Bros Pony Tank Clamp with plunger release. So as the name spells it out, this is a pony clamp, a way of attaching a smaller cylinder onto your primary cylinder, but temporarily, because you have this plunger release so you can separate it. This is a two-part clamp, very strong and secure. Your pony has like maybe 1 or 2 millimeters of movement, but that's about it. It's going to stay attached onto your tank until you want to remove it. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a sort of a thin-ish paper bag. Almost has a waxy sort of quality to it, but not wax paper, whatever it is, paper. Self-sealing. It rips. And then in here, we get the clamp itself in its own little bag. Okay, so in a plastic bag with one of these sort of cardboard things, I'm just gonna get into that, doing the minimal damage possible. And we get the clamp itself, so relatively small. So this measures just over 150 centimeters long. As far as width, the clamp itself is just about 47 mil across, including that plunger is about 7 or 8 centimeters across. As far as weight goes, it feels pretty light considering it's stainless steel. So it weighs 321 grams, so it's pretty light. It's not going to add too much trim weight or anything. And this is a two-part system. So by pulling on this plunger, it's spring-loaded, and you can see that sort of bolt just locking into position. So if you retract it and then slide it out, you have those two separate sections. So you attach one onto your primary cylinder, one onto your pony, and then when you want to sort of clamp it into position, other way around, you kind of push it down, retract that bolt, and then once it's in position, it springs into action. So strong and secure. That's really not going anywhere. You have a few sort of attachments options. So just at the top here, I'd put a Jubilee band sort of around that, and then again at the bottom, that is going to be about 2 inches across. So you can fit a 2-inch webbing band through that. So you could thread your cam band over that, just have that mounted on. And then on your pony cylinder, again, you have those Jubilee straps, so you can bolt it on there. And then that is not 2 inches, that's 1.5. So you can use a smaller 1.5-inch strap if you wanted to, but those Jubilee bands are going to be much stronger. Attach that, keep that on your pony cylinder, and then if and when you want to go for a dive with it, you just bolt it into position, and there it is. So that's the Lumb Bros Pony Tank Release, a very handy clamp mechanism, 2 parts, so you leave one attached onto your primary, the other one attached onto your pony, you clamp it together. It's really nice and small. This is one of the most compact systems I've seen. A lot of them tend to be a lot larger, but if you're just sort of bolting on like a 3-litre tank onto your primary, then yeah, this is a really good clamp. You also have 2 sort of mounting bolts as well, so you can bolt it onto something as well. If you dive with a rebreather, you can bolt it onto it. Yeah, Plenty of mounting options, definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below to check it out. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.